Hello everyone, in light of Halloween, today we'll be unboxing the Disney Villains collection by popmart. So these are the characters that are from this collection. Popmart actually released this collection on the 25th of September, but it's only available in Singapore on 16th of October. So let's do this. Ooh. So the first one we have here is Hate. Okay, moving on to the second one. Ooh, we have the Evil Queen. Third and the last. For this we have Cruella. Alright, let's take a closer look at the cards and the characters. So Hades is actually the Fury Temple villain from Hercules. For the figurine, you can see that the hair is actually slightly translucent, I would say, which makes it look a bit icy. And he actually has this turquoise colored eyeliner, like really loving the details. Next we have the Evil Queen. She's probably the more well known out of these three from Snow White. For her you can see like a green eyeliner design. For Cruella, she actually comes with this stand because without it she's actually pretty wobbly to stand on her own due to the heels. So for her it is a very light green sort of eyeshadow, and she even has jewelry. Oh, and she's from the 101 Dalmatians. So I've got all these figurines from Bugis Junction level 1. Yep, so that's all. Happy Halloween and hope you guys like it. Bye.